In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify high-value leads in HubSpot with a comprehensive lead scoring guide. If you're in marketing or sales, understanding how to efficiently score your leads can make a significant difference in your business success, and I'm here to guide you through that process. So let's dive right in. To get started, you need to go to the HubSpot homepage. It's your go-to platform for all your business software and tools needs. Once there, you're going to look for the login button. This is usually at the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on it. After logging in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the options, but don't worry, we're focusing on marketing today. Navigate over to the marketing section and click on it. This will lead you to various marketing tools that HubSpot offers. Once you're in the marketing section, your next click will be on lead scoring. Lead scoring is an invaluable tool for prioritizing leads by assigning values to each lead you generate, making it easier to focus your efforts where they matter most. Now that you're in the lead scoring section, you need to click on Score. Here, HubSpot allows you to view and manage your lead scoring models. These models are foundational to establishing which leads are high value and which are not. After selecting Score, it's time to click on Criteria. This is where the rubber meets the road in terms of lead scoring. Criteria are essentially the rules you set up to determine what makes a lead more or less valuable to your business. Finally, it's time to define your scoring criteria. This is possibly the most important step. Think about the characteristics that are essential in a lead for your particular business or campaign. This could be anything from the size of the company they work for, their role or title, their level of engagement with your content, or even industry-specific metrics. Remember, effective lead scoring can dramatically streamline your marketing efforts, allowing you to direct your resources and energy towards genuine prospects who are more likely to convert. Take your time to carefully consider your scoring criteria because it will directly influence the efficiency of your sales funnel. So there you have it, a step-by-step process on how to identify high-value leads in HubSpot using lead scoring techniques. By applying these steps, you position your business to maximize sales opportunities and build stronger relationships with the right prospects. Thank you for joining us in today's session. I hope you found this lead scoring guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to check out more resources or reach out to our support team. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos, and until next time, happy scoring.